Hello, today I'm going to show you how to read that or make a clear factory readout of your LG OLED65C27LA television here. Of course, it's the same process with all the OLED Evo televisions out there. That means 42 inches, 48, 55 inches, 77, 83 inches too. And here it's 65 inches. We are going to use our magic remote with it. Our television is switched on, as you can see. To navigate to it, we are going to use our remote by pushing here the home button. Okay? This is navigating on the center. We can now navigate here to the options over there, if you like. Here over there, you can see it, yeah. Or we are going to use the remote itself because there is a button for it. Over there, push there. Then navigate up, down, right, left, and enter with the remote itself. So here we are on the left side. You can see we now can go to all settings. And in all settings, we have the possibility to choose pictures, sounds, general, and support. We now go, if you have trouble with the television, go to software updates. If there is a software updates, check for it. And if one is available, like here, you can download and install it. Maybe the trouble is away after this. Otherwise, you can go here, go to general, then we can navigate to the bottom side here. If you have problems with the network, you can here go to the internet connection method, for example, or you can go down to system. Okay, here's system. And in system, we can choose to switch the language, location, timer, and raise it to initial settings. We revert the television to its initial settings. This will revert all options on the television to their default settings. Most of the time, this will fix the problem. But if you are going to do that, of course, everything will read it, as you can see. Before you can perform this, I recommend you switch off the device, unplug it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then replug it with the power supply. Often this is a solution too for it. Okay, here we can choose now. Resetting will delete all of our accounts, settings, and installed apps. Of course, not the accounts of the apps will not be deleted. That means, for example, you have enabled here your Google account on it, or your Netflix account, your LG account, and so on. It will not delete this. It will delete the information on this television, okay? We can choose now read it all, or we can read it all except network settings. This option is good if you are going to initiate or make a new setup in the same Wi-Fi area. Then you can read it all except the network settings. But if you give away or sell this television, read it all. We now have to wait a little bit because now the factory that is in progress. After this performs, this only takes 1 minute, I think. After this, the web operation system is rebooting, as you can see. And after this, we have a cleared system and we have to make a new setup with that device. It's now factory reset done. That means everything is deleted on it. Only the main stuff is there. If you download, for example, a specific apps before, they will be deleted now. Of course, you can bring them back by entering into the app store again and download it again from LG. Now you can see we are back in business here. This is the first step in our setup process, and this is now the possibility to give it away. Of course, you have to switch it off before you give it away. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.